In emergency burn care, a couple of formulas can literally save a life. Let's break them down. So why are these so important? Well, you've got to know what you're really up against.
And here's the thing, it's not the fire itself, it's actually massive fluid loss.
That fluid loss leads to hypovolemic shock, and that is what we are fighting against.
Okay, so your first move, you have to assess the damage, and you gotta be fast.
For that, we use a simple but super powerful tool called the rule of nines. It's all about the number 9. The whole head and neck, that's 9%. Same deal for each full arm, from shoulder to fingertips. That's another 9%. Now, the entire front of the torso is a bigger chunk. We're talking 18%. Flip them over, and the entire back is another 18%. See? Simple. And you probably guessed it. Each full leg also comes in at 18%. And to round it all out, the groin area makes up that last 1%. So you just add up all the burned sections to get your total percentage. Easy, right? But what if the burns are kind of patchy? For that, we've got the palm rule. It's simple. The patient's own palm size is about 1% of their body surface. Okay, you've got your percentage. Now we calculate the fluid they'll need. This part's critical. And that brings us to our second key tool, the Parkland Formula. Don't worry, the math here is actually super straightforward. It's just 3 steps. One really important thing, though, this formula is specifically for ringer lactate fluid, only. So you've got the total amount of fluid, but it's not enough. It's when you give it. Here's the timeline. Give half in the first 8 hours, the other half over the next 16. So really, it all comes down to this. Assess, calculate, infuse, and do it fast. So now you know the rules. But when the pressure's on, could you actually use them?